Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. ln8 minus lnb equals to ln a over b. So, in this situation, we need to transform this one into this one, and we have ln of s over y. This one we change by dy over dx. Next, we see that y over s over y, they are degrees number 1. So that means this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dy over dx. Next, we do first the derivative of v. We have dv over dx multiplied by s. Next, we do first the derivative of s. We have number 1. So we have v in here. So this is about the product rule of the derivative. Now I will put vs to change for y. This one we change by this one. So s, and s we simplify. So this one we have v to the power of negative number 1. We put negative number 1 go outside. That is the formula in here. ln8 to the power of b equals to b ln8. So we put negative number 1 go outside. Next, I will put v go to the right. So we have negative v. Negative, negative, I will put on the left. So v we can do about factorization, common denominator. Now we combine two fractions in here. Next, I will put this one go to the left, ds and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So v and v we can do about factorization. Now we concentrate about this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to ln(v). Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one we change by u. This one we change by u. dv over v we change by du. So we need to add number 1 in here. Later that we need to minus about number 1. Negative sign I will put in here. So 1 plus u divided by 1 plus u, we have number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, we have u. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of u plus 1. And I will put about c. About u, that is about ln v. And now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about ln of the absolute value of s. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. We need to put the absolute value in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.